Well, good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be looking at how to make candy pattern designs. So pretty straightforward here. There's this awesome website called candypatterns.com, and I've been using this website for, I don't know, 8 years now. Basically since I started learning to make stuff. So they have this really cool program where you can make candy patterns. You can also look at other people's patterns, search for patterns in the search bar. You can share yours. There's a lot to this website, but I think today we're gonna ooh, that's cute. We're gonna mostly just focus on the actual patterns themselves. But yeah, it's also like a website where you can like make friends and chat, and like there's forums and messaging and all that stuff. My username on here is Vicky's Candy Shop if you guys want to add me. And let's see, I need to go to the pattern maker to get started here. Oh, I have to enable my Flash player. If anybody knows how to fix this, I have to turn on my Flash player every single time I want to use this website. And if anyone knows how to just like have it automatically on, just let me know, because I don't know how to fix it. So right when you open the Candy Patterns Maker pattern maker program, it pops up with this little multi-stitch cuff pattern that you can color. So you can use this right here is, what are these called? A palette. So there's a color palette you can pick from these colors, or you can get a custom color by clicking here and just like picking one. I'll show you how to, you can fill in like each bead by clicking it. And then there's undo and redo buttons. There's a color picker, eraser, all that stuff. So here you can click load uploaded picture to open a previous pattern that you've made. So here's one that I recently made. But so there's like some pre-made templates for you. Let me close that. So you can choose. Very cool. There's also Perler Templates, so it's not all about just pony bead stuff on this website. So very cool, so you can make that and then color it how you want. You can also generate one. Let's see. So multi is gonna generate one that looks like this, and then if you use payout, it's gonna look like that. Or if you use square, that's more for like perler patterns. And then you can also like determine the size. So what if I want 25 columns and 50 rows? Then you just hit generate and it'll make whatever size that you want. So yeah, so like what if I want to draw, I don't know, a pattern or something, right? So ooh, so I haven't tried fill with current color. That's kind of cool. I'll select purple. 10 rows, what if I put like 30 columns? Fill with current color, generate. Oh, that's cool. I didn't even know I could do that. And then what if I want to draw like a heart on it? Just click each little bead. And then bam. Like this is pretty simple once you get the hang of it. Oh, and here's, I'll use the color picker. You just click on it and then you click the color you want to grab. Pretty straightforward there. Number multi-pattern. I've never used the numbers, but let's check it out. Oh, that's cool. This is really cool. So numbering the patterns has always been kind of a mystery to me. That's really neat. So it shows you like this bottom part. If you hypothetically, I always want to start at the bottom. That shows you that the first single is these, and then 2, 2, 2, 2. So that's the second row. Then you got your third row. That's really neat. But also something that I did at the beginning was I would take like a similar color, maybe slightly darker, and I would color like the part where you start, if that makes any sense. So I would color my base like this, and it helps me keep track of where I am. So that's kind of like a reference point. It would still be the same color as the other pink. Okay, now if you want to save this, we're gonna go to upload picture, save for later editing. If you want to give it a new name, so it'll be a separate one, you just type it in there. Or if you want to update your existing pattern, click there. If you want to share it on the site, you check this box, but I don't want to do that. So then you hit load. Awesome. So that's saved. So then I'm going to X out of the pattern maker and go here to the main website, and on the left I'm going to go to all my patterns. I feel like I'm kind of zoomed out here. There we go. So then I can click on my pattern, and now I can see it. I can zoom in. Sometimes I just blow it up like that. And so the way I would make this is I would make the purple piece first, but it would actually be pink. I just made that so it'll stand out. And then I would probably make this top part first, and then middle, and then bottom. So this is pretty easy, right? You can see the whole top of the mask is pink. But let's say, like, what if I had a more complicated pattern? I like to hover my mouse over like the bead that I'm on to keep track of that. Or sometimes I'll like memorize like a few of them, so I'll be like, oh, pink, 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 and then I'll just leave my mouse there and put 4 pink, and then I'll continue like, oh, there's a pink, 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 and keep doing that. So yeah, that's how I follow patterns personally. So there's also, it tells you how many of each color that you need right here at the bottom, which is totally awesome. Obviously this color and this color are actually the same. I just made this purple to like make it stand out, so I have like a starting point. So I know, oh, I need 167 pink because I'm adding these two. I need 23 black, and I need 74 white. But of course with the mask, don't forget you gotta make the straps too. If you want to put beads on your straps, you're gonna need like to add like, oh, I don't know, 60 to 70 more beads to the pattern of whatever color your straps are gonna be. And if the bead counts look wrong, you can click here to recalculate bead counts. So that's cool. Came up with the same numbers. But they put them in a different order this time. That's weird. I guess they've had glitches with it. And of course, like, this pattern isn't published on the site, but I can just copy and paste this link and send it to someone if I want them to see the pattern. So that's useful. And then here is options to share your pattern. Pretty cool. You can post it on your LinkedIn. I should do that. So yeah. And then of course if you click here, it just takes you to the pattern maker. I'm like, oh, what else is there? You can also print them out. It might be useful to like print them out and like number them on paper. Too. Load. Save picture to file. I guess that's if you want to save the pattern to your computer. So yeah, I think we've pretty much covered it all. Those are like the basics of how to make and follow a candy pattern. I hope this tutorial was somewhat helpful. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. My contact information is in the description down below. If you want to just like ask for help or say hi, show me some candy pics. Until next time, peace, love, unity, and respect.